What was that?
The elemental Empyreans have awoken.
We are free. We will no longer be your tools.
Oh dear, what's happening?
Das war ziemlich krass, ey. Eine geile Vorstellung, vor allem Milcho da mit dem ultimativen Arte. Ja, der Lord of Calamity, ich nehme dich mit. Magilu so, blüpp. Also Blume scheint aus, also 100 Blumen, die darf nicht zertreten, ne. Andere töten, gar kein Problem. Blumen zertreten, ne, das geht natürlich nicht. Mir wird's auftreten nachher. Ja, 4 elementare Empyrean, schön. Sind das irgendwie Drachen, sah was so aus und noch verrückter. Was ich jetzt überhaupt nicht verstanden habe, dass die irgendwie, naja, da oben im Himmel plötzlich eine Brücke, wird übertrieben, eine Plattform, ein Schloss errichtet haben, was auch immer. Das wiederum erinnert mich ein bisschen an Tales of Symphonia. Gut, war natürlich schon ein bisschen anders, aber wegen anderer Welt und so weiter. Egal, wir haben gewonnen, ist Hauptsache, Level Up für alle, yeah! Und die Malaks sind frei, yeah! Artorias im Arsch, yeah! Innominat auch, yeah! Doppel-yeah!
You saved us, Mogilo. Thanks. If you hadn't thrown Melchior off balance, we'd all be dead.
I settled my own affairs. Nothing more. But if you want to thank me, I accept gifts.
I take it back.
He couldn't hurt those flowers. Was that his oath?
No. That old fool loved flowers more than anything else. Far more than he did any living human. That's all there was to it.
I suppose even a legate can never fully control his heart.
Same goes for a witch. Sometimes living can be the hardest affliction.
Have the 4 elemental Empyreans awakened?
Who knows? But anything that would sleep through that isn't worth our time.
Better watch your mouth or they'll smite you. I can feel a shift in Innominat's domain.
Yeah, all 4 of them have awoken. Innominat has been pushed out from the Earth pulses.
Humanity's amplified resonances will diminish, and many Malakim will regain their free will. The Exorcists will likely lose a good chunk of their forces.
Eleanor, have you lost your ability to fight too?
Sorry to disappoint, but I can still see you. Evil demons, Malakim, and witches alike.
You know where he is.
I can feel him. His body has left the Earth pulses. He's somewhere above the Empyrean's throne now. Artorias is with him. However, Innominat is pushing back against the other Empyreans with incredible force.
If the 4 are defeated, we'll lose our last chance. No time to waste.
Let's go. It's time to end this.
Yeah.
Und das heißt, wir marschieren direkt los mit Pyrrhischen Turm, machen Dosen und Innominat platt, fertig. Und in die Gespräche noch mit den Vieren halt. Wäre schon cool, wenn wir ihn treffen können, von wegen, hey, wie geht's denn so, alles klar. Ich bin's, der Erste des Unheils, wie geht's, wie steht's? Ich glaube eher weniger. Irgendwie schade, wa? Wäre noch cool, so ein kleines Gespräch so am Rande. Jo. Apropos Gespräch.
The mountain doesn't appear to be erupting. Or doing anything else, really. I'd say that's a relief.
Were Melchior's claims only a bluff?
I'm not convinced. Most of his threats had as much truth in them as he could muster.
With the 4 Empyreans revived, the land is awakened. Changes in the earth that once took eons will now happen in a few hundred years.
A few hundred years?
The mountain will erupt, but not for a long while.
A long while to a human, maybe. But compared to the history of the land, it'll be a blink of an eye.
But Innominat is the Empyrean of suppression. Who can say what will happen when we kill him? Well, it's not like I care anyway.
I think we should care.
Vielleicht schon. Rache für Alfred!
Melchior sure was strong, wasn't he?
Yeah. If it weren't for Magilu's help, we wouldn't have stood a chance.
But you saw the opening she gave us and took it.
Did you want to be the one to finish him off?
If it mattered to me, I'd have fought him alone. We all had our reasons to fight him. The opportunity just happened to be yours. That's all there is to it.
I understand.
If Melchior had only manipulated Aifread for personal reasons, then that would be settled now. But he was acting based on his idea of reason. That creating a world without malevolence was worth the cost of destroying people's free will. Aifread won't be avenged until I destroy that very philosophy.
Your business with the Abbey isn't done.
Not even close. You all could just sit around twiddling your thumbs, and I'd still take the heads of Artorias and Innominat on my own. If you want to be the ones to finish them off, you'll have to beat me to it.
You're on.
I'll fight with everything I've got. That's all I can do.
That's plenty.
Das ist wahr. Alter, wie viele Gespräche noch? Hast du Hunger, ja. Geht doch wieder. Oh, Kurslinge, die Quest geht wieder. Ich glaube, ich werde wahnsinnig. Die machen wir direkt, Leute. Letzte Griff, wenn man eine Drohne mitgönnt. Das letzte ist echt schon Feierabend. Das kann nicht sein. Weil, Ding fehlt noch. Die Quest wegen, wisst schon. Ja, da Kurslinge, okay. Nee, es fehlt noch die Quest wegen Videl. Da kann nicht alles gewesen sein. Warte mal, wo muss ich hin? So, ja, doch, stimmt. Hey, war gerade ein bisschen verwirrt. Aber das dachte, wäre ein ganz anderer Ort. Aber stimmt schon. Was dann noch fehlt, sind die Klasse 4 Dinger. Das sollte man kann auch in Angriff nehmen, was ist jetzt echt schon vorbei? Nee, nie im Leben. Oder? Vielleicht doch, keine Ahnung. Ich bin verwirrt.
I really don't mean to pry, but I've gotta know. Does it feel good to pinch all those souls out from your stomach?
That's kind of a gross way of putting it.
I have to agree with Velvet. The way you put it sounds so inappropriate.
I'm pretty sure that was her point.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why so cranky? I was only asking to see if you were getting hungry or not.
Then ask that in the first place.
Are you? Hungry, that is.
I do feel hungry, now that you mention it. But I don't think it has to do with losing those souls.
Then why is it?
Maybe my appetite is increasing as Innominat's suppression weakens.
Yeah, I'm suddenly feeling hungry myself.
My stomach could start growling at any moment.
I have been thinking of nothing but delicious things to eat for a while now.
I bet Magilu only brought it up because she's feeling peckish herself.
No, that's not the reason at all.
That settles it then. When we get back to the ship, you can take guard duty while we eat.
I'll make a quiche and pudding.
I'll cook up some pignon and tomato stew.
Ooh, I'd love to try your cooking, Madame Eleanor. Let's get back to the ship.
Getting all fired up about food. I would kill for a big bowl of sweet Kalegian-style borscht!
Then go find me some peaches.
Why peaches?
Because you can't have Kalegian borscht without peach pie for dessert.
Die haben ja Geschmäcker, ey. Meine Güte. So, kann ich wieder zurück oder so? Nicht wirklich. Ich glaube, ich komme nachher noch mal ganz kurz, weil ich... Ups. Entschuldigung. Nee, warte mal, stimmt ja. Hey! Das war in eine ganz andere Richtung.
Glad to see you made it back in one piece, Velvet.
I'm here on orders from the boss to help you guys out.
We could certainly use it. How are things back in the city?
I came here from Helives, so I don't know how far the suppression has progressed. But I can tell you that the Abbeys designated the area north of Helives as a Class 4 administrative zone.
Which means they've pulled their forces out of the area.
What about the people of Mercio?
Everyone got out safe and sound, although they did petition for the extermination of the Lord of Calamity.
Of course.
I say we make this town our new hideout. When else are we ever gonna find a hideout that comes with hot springs?
That's a good idea. We should leave Kamoana and the others here.
Dial, could you stay and help them out?
As if you even had to ask.
Well, that's surprisingly reliable for you, Dial.
Hey, that hurts. Now get going already. Benwick and the crew are making preparations in Hellawes right now.
Noch ein Gespräch?
Hey, Rokurou, how'd the showdown with your brother turn out?
I killed him. But I couldn't break Stormhowl.
Is that because Stormhowl was an even stronger sword than Kuragane's?
No. Even with Shigure's full strength behind it, Stormhowl didn't even leave a nick in Kurogane's blade. If I didn't have this sword, I'd be dead now. I think I just couldn't break Stormhowl because I'm still too inexperienced.
But you won the match, didn't you?
Yeah, but only by combining my techniques with Kurogane's craftsmanship.
If that's the case, then as long as you're wielding it, that sword is Stormquell. After all, Kuragane's sword did quell the Godblade's raging storm.
Do you think Kurogane would agree?
Are you kidding? You know how stubborn that guy is. He'd just say he'd forge something even stronger the next time. And that's why I say you shouldn't be satisfied with how you are either, Rokurou.
I know. I'll find even stronger opponents to cut down. By my hand, Kurogane's Stormquell will become even more legendary than Stormhowl ever was.
That's the spirit. Show him what we demons can do.
Yeah, Dämonen vor, noch ein Tor. Was mir gerade frage, ja, Kurogane Schwert und so, schon klar. Nur, ich meine, Kurogane war ja ein Dämon. Das heißt, Schwert ist eigentlich auch dämonisch. Was wäre wohl, wenn Laphicet den reinigen, also ja, läutern würde? Würde ich weiß nicht, sich seltsam zurückwandeln, weil es eigentlich ursprünglich ein Mensch war oder so. Ich will es gar nicht wissen. War nur mal so eine Frage. Scheiße, wir fehlen noch ein Special. Wir fehlen noch ein Special! Verdammt Axt. Ansonsten habe ich jetzt irgendwie auch den letzten Gegner noch irgendwie freigespielt, oder? Nee, nachher vorne 23. Insgesamt. Doof. Doof. Ich habe nicht viel gebraucht, wa? Kaum etwas. Lohnt sich kaum. Aufwerten? Nee, kaum. Dann ganz kurz pennen. Aber aus dem Grund, wenn ich eine volle Esse habe, wie gesagt, man weiß nie, was passiert. Jetzt könnte was passieren. Was? Und trotzdem wieder Geld.
Grimoire, could we talk?
You sound so serious. Like it's the eve of the final battle.
Well, isn't it? Can't you let yourself get caught up in the moment for a change?
Getting caught up in the moment is for young, foolhardy lovers. So, what is it you want to talk about?
I just figured I should drop by since, well, like I said, the final battle with Innominat is coming up and all.
Ugh, you're talking like you're saying your last goodbyes.
It's just that we're up against a lot. Even Miss Magilou doesn't know what the future holds for us, and she almost always has that stuff figured out.
Whether she has it figured out or not, it is our lot in life to follow our vessels and fight to the very end.
That's what I've always thought, so I just dealt with Miss Magilou's craziness up till now. But she's never thanked me for it. No, good job, Bienfu. No, I'm glad I'm your vessel. Not even something like, I'll introduce you to a cute girl when it's all over. It'd be nice to hear a little gratitude from her, even just once.
Surely you know she's not the type to do that sort of thing, though, yes?
That's all the more reason to want just one brief glimpse at who she is underneath.
If you're so unhappy, it's not too late to switch back to the Abbey's side and become an informant again.
What's the point in that? I don't know anything they'd want, and they wouldn't have any use for me there.
So you lack confidence in your own abilities.
Miss Magilou has let me come with her wherever she went, and her talents have gotten us this far. But now that we have to fight Innominat, I'm worried. I don't know what use I can be for her, or if I can keep her safe.
But you'll still go, won't you?
Yeah, of course. Or else my name isn't Norman Brave.
See, you can do this. You've been keeping Magilu safe this whole time. With all the emotional pain she's been through, she's needed someone as thick-skinned and tenacious as you. She may talk like she doesn't care, but she wouldn't have tracked you down and renewed your pact if she didn't.
When you put it like that, bien! All right, you've convinced me.
That's right. You just trust in old Norman therapist's good advice. It won't steer you wrong.
Wow! I'd have never expected you to actually make a joke like that, Grimoire.
I just thought I'd get caught up in the moment like you wanted.
Was hatten die für einen seltsamen Namen? Die gute alte Grimm. Naja. So, ich würde sagen, ja, schippern wir mal mit dem Schiffchen und gucken mal. Obwohl es im Prinzip gegen das Ende zusteuert, so wie es aussieht, würde ich trotzdem sagen, Freunde, dass es noch ein bisschen dauern kann, wie bereits erwähnt, will ich noch das eine oder andere machen und, ja. Ich kann mir durchaus vorstellen, dass halt 5, 6 Parts da, bis wir wirklich beim Endboss quasi sind. Ah, guck mal, man kann sogar hin teleportieren, sehr schön. Und es ist trotzdem kalt. Na, geht's allen gut?
You there, Exorcist! Do you know what happened to the Praetor, Lady Teresa? She used to be in charge here. Lady Teresa is the only one who can restore law and order in our town. Please, send a message to the Abbey. Tell them that the citizens of Hellawes are awaiting her return. Even if the Lord of Calamity herself were to attack, I won't budge until Lady Teresa returns to us.
What will refusing to move accomplish?
If my life is in danger, I know Lady Teresa will come to save me. Her, and that ice-cold glare of hers.
Teresa won't be coming back.
What?
If you really love Teresa, you shouldn't rely on her to protect you. You should become strong enough to protect her.
Whoa, that burning glare of yours. I think I like it.
Wait, what?
Soll er dazu echt was sagen? Ich glaube nicht. Das ist. Nee. Es ist einfach zu doof. Es ist zu doof.
We're planning evacuation routes. We need to be ready if the Calamity or demons show up in town.
When the Calamity attacked the first time, there was massive confusion. Some children got hurt in all the madness. We're preparing evacuation boats, so that we can all flee out to the sea if anything happens.
It's a good idea, but it will be hard to evacuate the entire town by boat. You'd best prepare a land route too.
That's a good point. But wouldn't a land route run the risk of being attacked by demons?
Yes. You'll need to guard it as heavily as you do the city gates. It would be best if you could devise a way to prevent demons from intercepting the escape route, but...
Some of the exorcists lost use of their Malachim. We can't count on the Abbey's garrison to help us.
I'll send a request for aid to the Abbey. But please, don't give up. Try to think of something.
Of course. There's no way we'll give up. You can't rely on someone else to protect you.
Can you really ask the Abbey for help?
I can send a Sylph to some of my old friends from when I was still in training. Even if they refuse to trust a traitor like me, they won't ignore the plight of the people here in Hellawes.
Das mag ja sein, aber ein bisschen weiter oben, Eleanor, sind unsere Freunde. Und wenn da ein paar Exorzisten auftauchen, naja, gut, vielleicht sind diese Exorzisten, die alten Freunde von Eleanor, ja, Dämonen und Malak gar nicht mehr. Mittlerweile könnte ja auch sein. Insofern, naja, in der Bitte und so.
Hey, how long are you going to sit there crying? You can't be a fisherman if you're afraid of some Lord of Calamity.
The demons that wrecked this town are still alive. Who knows when they'll show up again?
How about right now?
Sniveling idiot! Keep whining like that, and this Calamity whatever will keep walking all over you!
But what can we do? We can't even defeat a single demon.
That's why we take our boats, catch some fish, and make sure we've got enough food to keep on surviving. Didn't they drill anything into that fool head of yours in school? Ugh. Do I have to knock some sense into you? Get up and get the boat ready!
That is one hot-headed dad.
Too hot for any demons to get near. That's for sure.
Ja, so sind Väter meistens. Oder oftmals. Ergebnis des Angelwettbewerbs. Bitte was?
Not that I really care, but who ended up winning the fishing competition when we were trying to catch a Therian?
Man, that was a while ago. I lost because I came away with nothing.
No, it was a draw. As I'm sure everyone remembers, all I fished up were octopus demons. We were competing over who would catch the Therian. Demons didn't count, so my score was 0-2.
No, the loss is mine, and I'm not giving it to you.
That's not just something you can up and decide like that. In fact, by fishing up those octopus demons, I put everyone in danger. That should count for negative points. I lost.
Who cares? It was all in fun.
I care. Every competition must have a winner and a loser, no matter what. That's just how I see it.
Yeah, I'm with Eisen on this one. It doesn't do anyone any good to make the final results murky.
I can't believe I'm going to do this. Eisen, your curse would mean that the odds were stacked against you from the start. That doesn't make for a fair competition, does it?
Yeah, she's got a good point. We'll just have to settle the score some other way.
What can you guys do? Play cards? Chess? What?
Cards are a no-go for me. I'll just end up drawing jokers.
And I can play shogi, but I don't know chess.
Then what about arm wrestling? Would that work?
Whoa, whoa! Having a demon and a Moloch clasp hands is just asking for trouble with malevolence.
You're both adults, so why not a drinking contest?
That's it. If we have a drinking contest, we'll be able to compete on an even playing field.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. I'll have the crew bring out the drinks.
Well, that's one way of resolving it, I suppose.
Whatever gets it done. I'm not gonna complain.
If you guys are gonna have a drinking contest, you're gonna need some tasty snacks to go with all that alcohol, right?
Definitely. Let's go out and fish us some snacks.
Yeah, let's take out the little boat. We can even pick up where we left off our fishing competition.
Didn't we just figure out he can't really fish?
We were just about to finally resolve this mess. Why'd you have to go and stick your nose into it?
What? Why are you yelling at me? I didn't do anything wrong.
Für mich sah es gerade so aus, als hätte Taylor nur mich angeschrien. Von wegen, ja, wieso musst du Trottel die Gesprächsoption anklicken, verdammt nochmal. Alter. Naja. Abfahren wir langsam eine Variante.
Welcome back! I take it you defeated the Legates.
Yes, but that still leaves Inominat and the Shepherd.
Onward ho to the last battle! Oh, I picked up something nice for you. Here.
An apple?
It's a fortune apple. A good luck charm. No real powers, but they're hard to find. Legend has it, they're pretty lucky.
A fortune apple.
But we're the bad guys, aren't we? Maybe what we need is bad luck instead.
I think the Reaper's got that covered.
Aw, that's just mean.
Well, I appreciate the thought. Thanks, Benwick. I love apples.
Just don't eat it.
I couldn't eat it, even if I wanted. Wait a moment. That's right. My power to consume is a part of Inominat. If that's true, then...
What is it?
You want a bite? Delicious fortune apple.
No way. That's a good luck charm.
That it is. One to give you the courage you need to survive.
So, where's our final destination?
The Empyrean's throne.
Sail for Port Zexon. Aye, aye, ma'am. Aye, aye, sir.
Benwick kann offenbar Eisen ihm noch sehen.
I won't. Don't worry.
Ja, was hat gerade Velvet da herausgefunden? Ja, natürlich ist das Verschlingen ein Teil von Inominats Kraft. Also will sie Inominat verschlingen quasi, um damit zu versiegeln oder was? Was? Ah, eine Möwe. So, langsam die Folge beenden.
Hey, Rokuro! I heard about a Class 4 island that sounds damn near perfect for you.
An island that's perfect for me? Do the rivers flow with good drink?
Now that you mention it. But no, different island. I'm talking about you as a swordsman. The demons there all run around the island in suits of armor and helmets and stuff, I hear.
Armored demons are not unusual.
Yeah, but what I heard tell was that all the exorcists who got sent there came back with their swords broken. I don't know if they've got swords too, or if their armor is just that strong. But I reckon your sword will be able to stand up to them.
Well then, I've heard worse ideas.
If you believe the tales, that island used to be a place where swordsmen and knights competed to see who was stronger.
Oh yeah, I know the island you're talking about. Craftsmen from all over gave their finest weapons and armor to the greatest of warriors and made them fight. It was as much a showcase for those wares as it was a contest of strength.
So the demons on that island might come at us wielding fine arms and armor.
I'm certainly up for checking it out. I'm curious to see how good the stuff really is.
After all I've told you, you still want to go? What is wrong with you?
Sind noch viel. Was hat sich verändert? Ja, das werden wir in der nächsten Folge anschauen, Freunde. Ich würde sagen, im nächsten Part dann gehen wir nicht zum Thron da. Empirischen Thron. Nee, machen erst die Quest mit Rokur fertig. Und da muss man mal gucken wegen Videl und so, weil wenn das nicht mehr so, also ja, aber echt sind es im Prinzip auf dem Schlussspurt, zumindest von der Story her. Da heißt also doch gerne machen, dann wenn es auch nicht mit Videl Story weitergeben, der Sidequest in Omega Galaxy und so, würde ich halt auch mal sagen, wir gehen mal zu den ganzen Zone 4 Inseln hier, auch mal vorbeischauen, vielleicht sind sie nicht groß, vielleicht schon, wir werden sie dann sehen. Die wollen noch ein bisschen erkunden, vielleicht pro Insel eine Folge, vielleicht auch weniger, werden sie dann sehen. Und dann, ja, würde sagen, Angriff auf Artorius und Innominat. Bis dahin, danke fürs Zusehen und ciao zusammen!